Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete Opay account. Yes, so you can actually delete your Opay account if you get tired of using the Opay account. So two things you have to bear in mind is, first of all, you must make sure that you have zero amounts in your Opay account before you proceed to delete the account. And second of all, you have to make sure you don't use the Opay 2 weeks before the day you want to delete it. Yes, about 14 to 15 days at least, you should not make use of the Opay app. Don't try to log in, don't try to withdraw money from it, don't try to transfer money with it and other stuff. Make sure you have done that before 2 weeks that you are going to delete the account. So afterwards, you're going to open up your Opay app and you're going to log in into the account. Once you're logged into the account, you're going to click on me below your screen. Click on me. Once you click on me, you're going to click on this setting gear right up above. Click on that. Once you click on that, sorry, not here. Once you click on that, you're going to see close account. Once you scroll down, close account, click on close account, and you're going to see after successful account cancellation, permanently unable to log in or use this account, ID and transaction information will be cleared. All gained benefits such as cashback will be cleared. So everything about your Opay information will be cleared. So for more information, you can just go on this Opay account cancellation notice, click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, they're going to ask you, why do you want to close your account? You can say, I have another account, don't need a Opay account, got a new mobile number, poor customer service, switching banks, worry about account theft or others. So let's just say I just click on I don't need an Opay account. So once you click on that, you're going to click on next. Once you click on next, they're going to tell you that the account may not cancel due to the following reasons: the current savings balance is not zero, complete or ongoing transaction in the last 7 days, outstanding loan has not been paid back. You understand? So all these things are something you have to consider. You have to make sure you don't fall into any of that before you try to close up your account, your Opay account. So you must not transact within 14 days, and you must not have any pending loan or any amount in your Opay account. So once you don't have any of that, you are good to go to delete. So once you have done that, you'll be able to delete your Opay account. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.